Hi, welcome to CHCP North San Antonio. My name is Rosina Perez. I proudly serve as the campus president of the College of Healthcare Professions at North San Antonio. What excites me the most is the opportunity to have a truly modern, hands-on experience. After 20 years in our previous building, it was time for us to move out of that facility to offer growth for the community in San Antonio, Texas, to also be able to offer our students more modernized facility, as well as to be able to bring that hands-on real-world experience into the classroom. Some of the new upgrades to this campus are the more modernized equipment that we currently have at the new campus, the MA mock clinic, as well as our future integration of the VR system into the medical assisting program. We truly built this campus for collaboration in mind. There's several study areas, and it's all built around student success. We have some really beautiful lunch areas for the students, and we have a lot of different meeting spaces so the students can come together and collaborate and be able to meet and work together with each other as they're going through, whether it be a quiz or an assignment that they have to do. They can kind of come together and collaborate and work with each other to support each other through this journey. The students have a tremendous amount of support from the beginning, from the moment that they step onto our campus and going through the admissions process, and then throughout the classroom and with their instructors. Their instructors really provide them that care that they need to get them through the program. Some of the programs that we're currently offering here at the campus are our medical assisting program, our medical coding and billing program, our LMRT program, our surgical tech program, and as well as our associate program, which is our healthcare administrative program as well.
My name is Renee, and I am the Medical Assistant Program Director here at our CHCP North Campus. Yes, so our Medical Assistant Certificate program here is 9 months. We offer 3 tracks in the day, so that's Monday, Wednesdays, Tuesday, Thursdays, or we do offer a MA one day on Friday, just for those, those busy people that either work full-time or full-time parents. So I feel like students are going to be more engaged, more encouraged to come to class, especially with all the new things that we have going on with this campus.